Well, that's good. It just seems to me that 6 months or a year you could spend it more productively.
Well, like what?
Well, I don't know. Didn't Mom mention that there was something at the Museum of Broadcasting?
Yeah, that's clerical.
No, she didn't say it was. She said it was in the publicity department, and that could lead to other things.
Boy, I knew you'd be discouraging.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to be helpful. It just seems to me that a person just doesn't say, okay, I'm finished being an actress, now I'm a writer. I mean...
Yeah, you mean not at my age.
Please. We're just here to have lunch.
You're right. Forget it. Let's eat. I think I'll have a salad. You really think I'm a loser, don't you?
What? You're being ridiculous.
You treat me like a loser.
How?
You never have faith in my plans. You always undercut my enthusiasm.
That is not true. That's not true. I'm always supportive of you. I give you constructive advice. I'm always happy to help you out financially. I go out of my way to introduce you to interesting single men. I wouldn't...
Losers. Oh, losers.
You're too demanding.
You know, I can tell how you think of me by the way you fix me up with these men.
You're crazy. That's just not true.
Hey, Hannah, I know. I'm mediocre.
Look, listen. You want to write? Write. Let's just not talk about this anymore.
Good.
Yeah, take a year. Take 6 months, whatever you want. Who knows? Maybe you'll be sitting on a good play.